So I was sitting over here behind a cedar tree. I'm out in the open. I'm just looking at my phone, texting Justin, making fun of him. I look over, and right in front of me, like we're both in plain sight, this gobbler's standing right beside me.
He just came out of nowhere.
And I can't move, and like I'm froze, and all of a sudden he gobbles, and I'm pretty sure Justin knows then.
Alright guys, that was pretty awesome. Here in Nebraska, this is our 5th bird for our trip. We decided to go into a spot to set up blind. Put a decoy out, made a little cedar blind for each of us. All of a sudden, we're just, messing around, sending texts to each other. All of a sudden, gobble, 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 right next to us. Jumps the fence, comes in a decoy. Made a sweet 20-yard shot on him. Perfect. Not a huge beard, not huge spurs, but he's beautiful. That's my 3rd bird for Nebraska. Got 2 in Kansas. I'm done.